Well, this exterior render job begins with protection, preparation, and a close check of the details. Once the openings, edges, and working area are ready, the long application can begin.
Excellent. Got a fun bit of cloth. Skip there. Nice line. You like how thick that one is? Set up full swing, in full swing. It's coming off nicely. See the render bit all around there. End of day tidy going well. Good day's work there. Lots more to do still. Let's get in there.
Well, the long elevations are worked as a continuous process. Keeping the machine, hose route, and working space organised helps the team maintain a steady pace along the wall. Well, the application is not just about covering the surface quickly. The team watches the coverage, edges and reveals as the material goes on, keeping the work consistent from one section to the next. Well, this is why the earlier preparation matters. When the machine is running, the work needs to keep moving while there's still time to control the wall and finish the detail cleanly. Well, on the next pass, the same careful routine continues. Protect the surrounding areas, keep the equipment close, and work through the elevation without losing control of the smaller details. Well, around the windows and changes in the wall, the pace naturally slows down. These transitions need a clean connection with the prepared beads and a finish that matches the wider elevation. Well, much of a day like this is steady, repeatable work, managing the hose, the material and the access while making sure the protection stays in place and the site remains workable. Wilking in a controlled sequence lets the team keep the application moving while still giving the corners, openings and lower details the attention they need for a neat finished result.
Right, you can see here, this wall's just about ready to go. We've got the expansion joint there, because this wall is a long one. It's about 8 meters, I think, by 5. There is a break in the middle there as well with a natural detail. And we've got the all-important drip bead at the bottom, crucial. We've got a mixing station going over here. We've also got some stuff going on here. Some fun areas to build out above these windows. This has been bricked in. Yeah, it's time to crack on. So we've got round this back wall as well. You can see behind me here. This is on top of a flat roof, so you've got to make sure you protect everything. The mesh is cut there that you can see. We've pre-done all the beads. Everything is sheeted down and protected, ready for the render machine. You see we're all protected down there. And we're going to be set up down there. So, always great tip. I always spray heavily. This will help keep your machine cleaner for longer. Oh, look at that beauty. Silicone spray, brilliant stuff. I also use it over all of these. Ooh, smells beautiful.
I can't even tell what mode it's on. It's on the middle setting. I think that one might be
Nice.
manual. No, it's auto, isn't it, the middle one?
Auto is good. Ready to go. I'll do some deep filling.
Massive red power lead. I'd say that should get you indoors to wherever it needs to be. Stuff like that. If not, it's got that connection you can generator at a later date.